Over the past 3 years, we have been involved with Jaipuria Kanpur to turn the 9-acre campus into a world-class institution in terms of infrastructure, and it's been our absolute pleasure to be involved in this work. The classrooms are enabled with the latest tech. A class library is a very important part of this classroom that connect with nature, the sunlight, natural light pouring in. That is how we want the children to feel that intimate connect with nature. The new block for Cambridge and pre-primary has been designed to maximize natural light, to utilize each and every corner. Also, transparency is a very important part where we want the children to be visible, and the colors is always like the accent. It is never predominant. It doesn't confuse or overwhelm the child. It was the happiest point when the management at Jaipuria asked us to design this 20,000 square feet of play area. It incorporates different kinds of play. There's outdoor musical instruments over here with play panels. There is a water fun area which is there without a splash pool. There is various forms of active play with a swing and slide, a climbing wall on a mound. We've incorporated a sand pit for the explorers in our, students. And apart from this, there are, some structured elements like a skating rink. There is a junior football field. Also, we have created this gardening patch where the students actually plant and see the saplings grow. And once all of these trees are tall enough, it will create a natural shade over this area. And also this, zone with the natural green grass. This is for free play, which is, in my opinion, a really important thing, apart from the structured play elements that we have here in this wonderful space. Over the past 3 years, we have been entrusted to reimagine the campus of Jaipuria Kanpur to make it into a world-class institution. It's been our absolute pleasure to take this 50-year-old institution to new heights, to make it a home away from home for the children who study here.